Hi, I'm Zoe, and welcome to Master the Shuffle. In this beginner lesson, we're learning the Polly Pocket, a fun and energetic shuffle dance move. This lesson is for everyone. You don't need any previous dance experience. Let's get started. First, watch the complete Polly Pocket once. You may not get it perfectly on your first try, and that is completely normal. Every repetition will make the movement easier and more natural. Now, let's break it down into small, simple parts. Start slowly. Speed comes later. Start in a 45-degree diagonal stance. Open both legs apart. Send the front foot forward and the back foot behind you. Keep your weight on the back leg and flex the front foot by lifting the toes. From here, come back toward the center. Bring the front foot in, lift the back foot, and turn your body to face the other side at the same time. The lifted foot steps forward into a flex, while the leg holding your weight moves back. Focus on the movement of your feet first. You can add more style with your arms later. Open and flex. Lift the back foot, open and flex. Good. Let's repeat that part one more time. Open and flex. Lift the back foot. Open and flex. Nice work. Stay relaxed and don't worry if the movement still feels unfamiliar. Every repetition makes it easier. Now, let's practice the Polly Pocket with music. Follow along and repeat it as many times as you need. Slowly first, and then at full speed. In the next lesson, we'll learn more Polly Pocket variations and add them to this basic movement. Great job! You've just learned the basic Polly Pocket. Remember, you don't need to make it perfect today. Keep practicing, stay relaxed, and the movement will become smoother every time. Please save this lesson so you can come back and practice with me again. And please subscribe to Master the Shuffle for more simple, step-by-step shuffle dance lessons. I'll see you in the next class.